Definitely, it will be a big blow for Manappuram because Asirvad is a subsidiary of Manappuram, and Manappuram holds around 97.6% holding in Asirvad Microfinance. Now, this company, Asirvad Microfinance, was one of the fastest growing microfinance company. If you look at the 5-year AUM CAGR, it was around 27%. And also, the customer base has grown around a CAGR in the last 5 years of 15%. This was also a high margin business because the net interest margin to AUM, if you look at that, that was around 15%. And also in the overall consolidated numbers for Manappuram, Asirvad used to contribute around 21% to the net profit and 30% to the overall AUM of Manappuram Finance. So for Manappuram Finance, Asirvad is actually a very important business. If you look at the SOTP valuation, it used to contribute around 25 to 30%. Now because of this, many brokerage houses have actually downgraded Manappuram Finance. Like Jefferies has downgraded to hold from buy. They have cut the price target from 270 to 167. Morgan Stanley has downgraded from overweight to equal weight, cut the price target from 262 to 170. BofA has cut the price target from 250 to 220, and also JP Morgan has downgraded the stock. And the main reason for downgrading the stock is basically, if you look going ahead, the overall loans and disbursements would come under pressure, and also the overall funding cost would go up for Manappuram Finance if they have to go ahead and fund Asirvad Microfinance. So this is going to be a big blow for Manappuram Finance because Asirvad is a subsidiary of Manappuram Finance.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.